Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk analyst. This video is regarding Zomedica. The ticker symbol is ZOM. I previously made a video on Zomedica, I think on January 16th, when the stock price was like 80-90 cent. Then it went up like 300%. I think it came close to 2.9, so which is like more than 300%. So we made a lot of profit. Then the stock is trying to consolidate. So this video is an update of this particular stock. If you want, you can go back to my previous video, you can watch, but in this video I will talk a little bit about the stock. If you are new and watching for the first time, so go through the stock, what this product is, what's happening, what's the price action, and what we are expecting in next coming week, and what's the price target for this particular stock. So the website is zomedica.com. If you want, you can go, and this is the true format. This is the main thing currently which is driving this particular stock. So what is true format? And in their website, if you go, like you can watch, there is a small video, 3 minutes. So basically, when you have a pet or something and having some health issue, go, and if there is a lab test required, then basically take the sample, send it to the lab, and then it comes back. It takes some time. There are some other providers, but their machine is like, the instrument is even bigger. But for this particular one, you can see like this is very small. Like you take the sample and you put it on a cartridge, and then you insert, and I think it takes around like 18 minutes to get the result. So it's very quick and very easy to use. So it's a very nice product. If you want, you can go and see that particular video. But basically what they're thinking, by March 31st they're expecting to commercialize that particular product, and that is why I'm very bullish. And I'm also thinking before that, like there will be a rally for this particular stock. Some recent news, like on January 25th, I think they had an agreement with some suppliers. So basically when the true format will come, like they will like supply. So it's a good thing for March 30th. So whenever there is the agreement, so they know their products are coming, so there is nothing, no fluff or something like that, right? Also, like a very recent news, like February 16th. So basically there was a announcement, and 13 million common share of Zomedica at a public price of 1.9 per share, and it was full exercise. So $1.9, keep that in your mind. Okay, now let's go back to the chart. So what we can see, like you can see here, like when I made the video around 0.9, then we had a massive run up, and also like when you look at here, like we had a run up. So it's a bull flag pattern, so some kind of consolidation, then a run up. So again here you can see the flag, and again some kind of consolidation. So it can run again, or maybe it can go sideways for a few days, then it can have another run up. But what I'm more interested to show you, that like we had back-to-back 4 red candles on a daily chart, but the last Friday was green. And so it can go up or it can go sideways for a few days. But what strikes me most, that we know like huge corrections, some stocks like came to 30%, 40%, but this stock was not that bad. Like I find like it was like 2.6, then it came to 2.3, only 30 cent, and you can see on Wednesday, I guess, yeah, it came to like around 2.03, around that mark, and it went up. Even though Thursday was, the whole market was so red, but this particular one never came to 2.03. It was here, then Friday it's trying to go back. So probably maybe next week, if the overall market is green, then it might go back up again. Now let's look at 5-minute chart, because I'm more interested to show you what happened in last few days. So this is here like 17th of February, and I'm gonna use black color. Just want to show you on a 5-minute chart. So sorry, I want to draw a trend line. So let's look at this particular line, right? So on a 5-minute chart, we are bouncing, we are making higher lows, so we are going up. At the same time, if I draw another line, a resistance around 2.4, what do we see here? So So the stock tried to overcome the 2.4 resistance, but it came down, then again came here, bounced back, then again came, and again bouncing back, and you can see the green candle here. So as long we are continuing upward, at one point if we can break 2.4 resistance, then the stock will go up again. So I see 2.4 here, then I think around 2, maybe around 2.6, or yeah, 2.6, and then I think the ultimate one is like 2.9. So once we break the 2.4 resistance, I think it will go up to 2.6, 2.9, and if we can break 2.9, I think the stock will go $4 to $5 for sure. In a short to medium term. In a long term, it can go $10, $15, and I never say it will go to the moon. Definitely it can go to the moon. It can take time, but I'm not that kind of person like just saying go to the moon. But I think before March 31st, the stock will go at least for maybe $5. I think it will go to $5 at least, but it can go to $10 even. So watch the price action. So if the market is green, then look at the price action. This is a 5-minute chart here, so you see how it is bouncing off. So if we can break 2.4, then definitely it will go high. So what I did for this particular stock, like I get into the stock around 0.9, then I think when it was around 2.7 something, then I sold all of my position. Then I again rebought around this line around 2.4. Then again for last few days I'm trying to have some deep buying, and I got something around $2, 2.5. I think my current average is $2, $2.1 something, and probably if you have seen my previous video and bought the stock at 0.9, maybe you're still holding, so definitely you are in profit. So what I did, like I took the run up, then I sold everything, I locked my profit, then again I bought some stock. And I'm happy that like the way the stock market moved last week, this stock is doing really good. Like I'm happy because normally for the penny stock, when there is a run up and if the market is bad, they come drastically down, but this one is holding the floor. And $2.01, $2, I think if it does not come below $2, then definitely it's a very good sign. Even though if we have a red market next week, and if it never comes below 2, definitely then you know like this stock has a potential. Or in the other hand, if we can break $2.4, then yeah, it will go higher and higher. So that was the video. So just wanted to show the price action and what we are expecting, what are the support and resistance. If you find this information helpful, please do not forget to like this video, and also you can share your comments. I know there are many shareholders for this particular company, my subscriber, they are making comments. Also, if you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I plan to cover this stock over the next few days, few weeks, or a few months, it depends. But definitely I love to cover like the stocks which are about to break out, or if some stocks are very close to the support or nearby zones. So stay tuned, I will make more videos, and till then, take care my friends. Peace.